Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO X60 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's enter Reset Options, and as you can see on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it. Here we've got also the information that it will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So if you're ready, just tap on Reset Settings. If you've got a pattern or a pendant, enter to confirm the whole step. And here we've got also the information that you cannot undo this action, so just tap on Reset Settings if you're ready and wait. And here we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your VIVO X60 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.